Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Yeah, we are very excited to be a part of Swastik. It's one of the best production houses to work for, and it's for Colors also.
This is the first show with Colors and Swastik, so
yeah,
we are very excited.
Yeah, we're very excited. Like, it's been a long time. I wanted to be a part of Swastik, but something or the other, it was not working out. But this time it worked out, and it worked out really well.
And it's very good opportunity for both of us.
Yeah.
To work with Colors.
Yeah, जो शो है नेम तंत्र, नाम से ही थोड़ा सा लगता है कि इट्स ऑल जादू टोना और वो तांत्रिक और वो वैसा कुछ नहीं है. इट्स अबाउट द हाउस, द स्टोरी, जिसमें कुछ सुपरनैचुरल चीज़ें होती हैं जो सबके साथ होती हैं. मतलब हर दूसरे तीसरे इंसान ने आई थिंक एक्सपीरियंस किया कहीं ना कहीं अपनी लाइफ में. तो जो लोग इसमें भी देखेंगे, विच इज़ वेरी रियल, नॉट लाइक अ फेक. कोई ऐसा भूत वूत टाइप कुछ नहीं है इसके अंदर, कुछ उल्टे पैर वैर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So I think वो है, and plus a friendship bond, very nice friendship bond we have, Niyati and Akshat.
We have family drama, we have love.
Yeah, we have like a lot of things, and I think it's a very connecting thing, better than क्यों भूत वूत कुछ देखने से. And in terms of the character wise, Akshat, he's a very ambitious guy, a very good jolly nature guy, little Casanova, and he likes Niyati since childhood. Like, they were a very good friendship bond together. Or apart from that, he's a very ambitious. He wants to be like a Niyati's father, Akshay, Arjun Khanna. He idolizes him, and he wants to be a successful businessman. And he knows he's not very good with studies, but he knows he can do it in his life. तो वैसा ही है, इसलिए उसकी अपनी फैमिली से नहीं बनती. So बाकी नियति और वो all time they are together. हर प्रॉब्लम में वो नियति के साथ खड़ा है and helping her. It's like an unconditional love and friendship.
Okay, so as of the show named Tantra, so तंत्र में हम देखेंगे कि हर इंसान का ड्रीम होता है अपना घर लेना. तो द हाउस विच इज़ सपोज टू प्रोटेक्ट द फैमिली विल बी द इविल एंड विल बी गो अगेंस्ट द फैमिली, एंड हाउ वी विल स्ट्रगल टू escape the shackles of tantra. And so बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्योंकि इसमें जैसा इसने बोला कि कोई चुड़ैल वगैरह नहीं है, सब भूत वूत नहीं है, बट बहुत एक घर में रह रहे हो जहाँ पे उसी में ये सब हो रहा हो, तो वो हम कैसे करेंगे. दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड माई कैरेक्टर नियति खन्ना, शी इज़ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल यंग वुमेन हु डजंट बिलीव इन सुपरस्टिशन, एंड येट शी इज़ गोइंग टू लिव इन द हाउस. एंड शी इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, शी इज़ वेरी स्टूडियस, शी इज़ वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड करेजियस. एंड how she believes that I also believe that every human is born to do or to achieve something. And
here I do believe in it. But I never personally experienced it, but I think there is something. If there is God, there is evil powers also. It just depends how you take it, because always because we've never seen God also, right? So but we believe in it because our family wants us to believe. So it's the same like our family wants us to believe in evil powers also since childhood, कि ये मत करो तो भूत आ जाएगा, ऐसा सो जाओ जल्दी रात को तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. तो वो सबके साथ होता है, I think. But I think as we grow mature enough, तो you realize things with the time. And
जैसे बचपन में सोचते थे कि क्रिसमस के दिन सेंटा क्लॉस आके टॉफी चॉकलेट.
आज तक नहीं आया यार सेंटा, मतलब वेट ही करते रह गए, मतलब नहीं आया आज तक सेंटा भी.
मैं तो जानने के बाद भी बोलती मम्मा को रख देना ये सब, मैं मानती.
तो ऐसा है. तो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट ऑन योर बिलीव, एंड आई थिंक एंड लाइक किसी ना सबने बिलीव कहीं ना कहीं पे एक्सपीरियंस की होती हैं ये सब चीज़ें बचपन से, क्योंकि आई थिंक इट्स बैक ऑफ योर माइंड एवरी टाइम, क्योंकि वो बचपन से इतनी भरती होती हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़ें होती हैं. You don't go out in dark alone. Like there are 90% people who don't go out in dark alone. या graveyard में नहीं जाते लोग रात को. You never seen it, but you don't want to go it because you just believe it. So it's like same, like it's just up to you, like if you want to believe it or not. I don't personally experience it, but I think there is something.
For me also, I believe that there is everything, whatever happens, there is some scientific reason for it. So I don't believe in superstition and all, but I do believe that there is something.
Yeah, we are very competitive. Like there is no competition, man, for us, and we are there in the show.
आज के टाइम में competition हर जगह है, तो shows में क्यों नहीं?
But I think the best part of this show
is very interesting and different. So
yeah, I think the best part of this show is कि इसमें कुछ ऐसा भूत वूत नहीं है. There is no ghost, there is no चुड़ैल्स, nothing. The the house is a apne mein it's
The
a
house
character.
is the evil. The house
Yeah.
is lively. So
It's like when you move into a new house, you feel positivity. You want your family to be protected and stuff. लेकिन जब आपका घर ही वो सब चीज़ें नेगेटिव चीज़ें करे तो that's the thing. So I think this is where people can relate. मतलब आप अगर भूत भूत देख लो किसी शो में तो you'll be like यार क्या ये just like 90s की चीज़ें हैं. But I think this is the different we have from the other shows.
colors, of course. I'm working with colors for the first time, and the production Swastik, and the story also, and it's the heroine lead character. So yeah, everything's included in that.
I think the best part for me was his the positive character, because last show I was doing negative, so my look changed, everything changed. So as an actor, it's a versatility for me to do this show, and plus to be a part with Swastik and the Colors channel for the first time. And I think things will go well, and everything is going. It's a very wonderful team to work with, and I really like. We've been outdoor for 10 days, and everything was perfect. And the story and everything is gripping, and concept is really good. And plus I get to play a positive hero, so I think it's good. Every guy wants to do that in life, right? So yeah, why not?
Everyone wants to be hero
Yeah, man, why not?
and heroine.
Yeah, so yeah, that was a good part. Yeah, just keep watching the show. It's a little late though, but keep watching it with your family or alone if you want to. Just keep watching it and loving us, and what
Do
you
show
guys.
your love, lots of love.
Yeah, and just if you have any feedbacks, any questions, you can just always email us, message us, production anywhere, and we'll surely help you to entertain. And you'll get to see a good chemistry bonds, and with the family connection also, everything will be there. So yeah, it's a good concept to watch it.
Watch.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm Gautam Vig.
Hi guys, this is Sargun Korlutra.
Yeah, and just keep watching IWM Buzz channel, and keep subscribing, and keep
Keep loving.
seeing the updates for our show. Thank you.